Okay, today during math, we're going to be working on math practices and problem solving. We're going to be shown some shapes, and then we're going to be given clues to choose which shape matches the clues. First, we're going to watch a video.
Jackson has three shapes: a cube, a sphere, and a cone. Jackson has two clues about one of the shapes. Can you help Jackson find out which one of the shapes the clues describe?
Listen to the clues.
Here is the first clue. I am a shape that rolls. What shape am I?
Okay, so the first clue is I am a shape that rolls. What shape am I? So let's look at our three shapes. Does a cube roll? No, a cube doesn't roll because it isn't round. It has no round sides, so it can't be the cube. Does a sphere roll? Yes, a sphere does roll because it's round. How about a cone? Does a cone roll? Does it have any round sides? Yes, it does. So we know that it can't be the cube, but both the sphere and the cone roll.
Can you tell which shape is being described by that clue? No, you cannot tell. Why not? Both the sphere and the cone can roll. Why is there an X on the cube?
Why do you think they put an X on the cube? Does the cube match the clue? No, the cube does not match the clue. The clue was that the object rolls. Cubes can't roll, so that's why they crossed out the cube.
The cube is the only shape that cannot roll, so you can cross off the cube. Here is the second clue. I look like a baseball. Which shape am I? Which shape does not fit the clue?
Okay, so the next clue was I look like a baseball. So which of these two shapes does not match that clue? It does not look like a baseball. That's right, the cone does not look like a baseball. Let's try it.
Select each clue to show which shapes it describes.
Okay, so here we have our two clues, and when we click the clue, it will help us figure out what shape it's describing. So I am a shape that rolls. What shape am I? So we said that the cube can't roll, but the sphere and the cone can. Let's see if we're right.
This clue describes both the sphere and the cone. They can both roll. You can cross off the cube.
Okay, and the next clue says I look like a baseball. What shape am I? So we have a sphere and a cone. Which one does not look like a baseball? That's right, the cone does not look like a baseball, so we would cross off the cone. Let's see if we're correct.
This clue describes the sphere. It is the only shape that looks like a baseball. You can cross off the cone and the cube.
Great job, we were correct.
The cone does not fit the clue. Now can you tell which shape is being described? Yes. Which shape is left? The sphere. How do you know the sphere is the correct shape?
How do you know the sphere is the correct shape? Think about the clues. Does a sphere roll? Yes, it does. Does a sphere look like a baseball? Yes, it does. So it matches both clues. So it has to be the correct answer.
It rolls and it looks like a baseball, so it fits both clues. You helped Jackson use clues to identify the shape.
Great job. So today, when you're doing your math classwork, if you have any questions or comments or need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to your teacher.